Hi guys, it's me, Allie. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give me a huge thumbs up. And let's get started with the video. So I have all these slimes right here, and I'm going to try to put lotion and shaving cream in them and see how that works. Shaving cream makes it not that sticky, and then the lotion makes it actually stretchy. So I am just going to get a slime. I have a slime right here. Here, I can show you. Right here, I have a slime, and I think I'm gonna put shaving cream in it to make it more fluffy. That didn't work. That didn't make it fluffy. That just made it not fluffy. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, now I am just doing this and mixing the slime. Whoa. It's kind of getting all white and stuck to my hand actually, but I don't know why, but it's just, I don't know. I'm just getting it all mixed up, and when it's done, it will be more foamy. Foamy, foamy, foam. Foamy, foamy, foam. Foam, foam, foam. Foamy, foamy, foam, foam. Okay. Why is this sticking? It's just sticky, kind of, for some reason. Should be not sticky. But it's kind of sticky still, but it's actually not at the same time. It's actually kind of jiggly. So I'm just going to put the slime aside. So I'm just going to add, I see another slime that I'm going to add ingredients in. So I'm going to add some shaving cream and lotion this time. Wow. I have not that much shaving cream left. And then I'm going to add some lotion. I just added a kind of bunch. Okay. Oh, almost fell. Whoa. Now this is kind of getting more stretchy, and this is kind of getting more foamy and not sticky anymore. Kind of getting better. The slime was kind of sticky, and now it's kind of getting better. It's not that sticky anymore. Well, it's kind of still sticky. I have to kind of get it off of my hands, but still it's kind of good. So I'm just doing this, putting it back on, and then pulling out another slime. So this slime, I'm not going to be doing any work on it because it's best. All my other slimes, I'm not going to be doing work on it because it's actually good slimes. But this one, I think I have to. Oh, yeah, I do. So I'm just going to add a little bit of this in it, a little bit shaving cream, and that's it. That's all I'm going to be adding to this one. Just mix it all in. I'm not going to do a very great mixing job, but at least it's mixed in. Because I need to hurry up, actually, because actually these, I'm just going to show you the color inside of them. That's pink, and then this one, I don't know if you can see, but it's yellow. That's the end of this video, so make sure you watch it and give it a huge thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button and turn notification bell, and bye guys.